Hello. Today we will prepare a dessert. It's ricotta pancake. It's very simple to prepare, and we will combine them with thyme honey. We need these ingredients: cold ricotta, sugar, some flour. Let's start the preparation. Let's put the ricotta. Let's add some brown sugar. And let's smash everything by a fork, so the sugar will be well mixed. Once mixed, let's add some flour type 00, so everything will be more dry, and the flour will be absorbed by the mixture. Our mixture is ready. Now we will put it inside a pastry bag. Let's create our pancakes. Then let's warm up some seed oil until to get a temperature of 170–180 degrees. Once the oil gets this temperature, we can deform our pancakes using our hands. We will form some small donuts that we will fry, letting cook them for 4 minutes. Our pancakes are ready now. We drain and put them on an absorbent paper. Let's complete our dish. Then let's take our pancakes and let's put them on the plate. And let's add some thyme honey and a dusting of veil sugar. The dish is ready.
Le nostre frittelle sono pronte. E le scoliamo e le mettiamo su della carta assorbente. Andiamo a completare il nostro piatto, quindi prendiamo le nostre frittelle, le appoggiamo in piatto e aggiungiamo una colata di miele di timo. Spolverata di zucchero a velo e il piatto è